The question number 2, it gives us a random variable x, which is uniform in the interval -1 from -1 to 1, and we need to find gx so such that it satisfies this equation. And so we can start from this from here. So because that x is uniform in -1 to 1, we can get that because the integral from negative infinity to infinity is 1, so we can get the density function is 1 second, and we from this one we can also get the distribution function. So we can imagine that the distribution is a slope from -1 to 1, and the integral of this area is actually 1. So we can get this one. So from -1 to x from -1 to 1, the probability is 1/3 times 1 second times x plus 1 second. And if x is smaller than -1, the probability is 0, and if x is greater than 1, the probability is 1. So so here it gives us a fy, and we can actually calculate the density function, the distribution function, using by calculating the integral of fy, which is the integral of y e power of negative y times the u of y, and we can get the result that it is 1 minus e power of negative y times u of y. And because that we need a map from variable x to variable y, so actually we can get this equation. We mapped fx to fy, let them be equal. So we take this one here, actually we need to find point from -1 to 1, and which is a valid point. So take it in the left part and take this fy in the right part, and we can solve this equation. And first we move the constants to one side to 1 of 1/2, and we keep e power of negative y in the left side and x in the right side. So finally we can get y. The answer y, the relationship between y and x, which is g of x, is negative ln of 1 second minus 1 second times x.